work very hard at trade shows and through trade organizations such as the American Sports Builders Association, the Sports Turf Managers Association, as well as the Synthetic Turf Council, to network with our peers and make sure that we're staying up on the latest industry knowledge.
I really like working here because there's an innovative spirit that is always looking for answers to problems in the sports construction industry. And there's a culture of just finding those answers and working hard and having a little bit of fun while you're doing it.
So I spend a lot of time out in the shop and at my desk. It's kind of a 50-50, so I get to work pretty closely with the guys out there, which I enjoy. I think it's one of the more hands-on positions in the engineering department. So typical days, there's a lot of computer design still, but I'm taking concepts that come from other engineering members or sales, and I will define them first, design them, and then work with the shop to get them built. We go through prototype stages and final designs.
We do a lot of third-party testing with our products. It's one of the things we kind of hang our hat on. So when we see parameters for our products that can be tested to show that they're better than other competitors, that's something that we engage in quite frequently. So I often work on figuring out what those tests might be and then coordinating with the third-party testing agencies to get them the information and the products they need to do their tests properly.
What a client can expect is the ultimate teamwork to try and achieve their goal. If their goal is to look good to an end user or to an owner, our goal is to help them succeed in that process. So we're a very responsive, customer service oriented company, and we work together with our engineering department to make sure that's success for our client.
The way I view it is to sustain business success, and I don't care what business you're in, it starts and ends with the people and the character of your employees. And I think that we're very blessed to have a high character team and a high character culture.